Well, Linn County Commissioners agreed unanimously this morning to take legal action to modify the judge's order that led to historically low water levels in Green Peter Reservoir, impacting tap water in multiple cities. And KEZI 9 News reporter Jennifer Singh joins us live in the studio now to show us why they made the decision now, why they made it now, and also what's next in this case.
So it was Monday night's public water quality information session in the city of Sweet Home that prompted county commissioners to take this action. Representatives with the Native Fish Society and the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers said while they apologize for the impacts of the drawdowns, these are critical steps into the collective efforts to save endangered fish. However, Linn County Commissioners say this plan to save the fish has been detrimental to the area, and they now plan to seek legal avenues to overturn U.S. District Court Judge Marco Hernandez's ruling in favor of Northwest Environmental Defense Center, Wild Earth Guardians, and the Native Fish Society. County commissioners say the community of Sweet Home has been stunned by not just the drastic water level reduction in Green Peter, but also how murky the water has become. They say it's also been taxing on water companies that once had award-winning water quality, but is no longer even close to that for hundreds of people living in Sweet Home. In Monday night's meeting, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers told people in Sweet Home the water is now being tested for heavy metals like mercury, but those results won't likely be available until mid-December. They also told attendees that no fish have died from the murkiness of the water, and samples show the sediment as clean. But people and commissioners still want answers about the thousands of fish that have been dying off. They also worry the areas where fish spawn may now be so covered in mud that it will end in fish unable to breed. Linn County Commissioner Sherry Springer says she's calling the situation an example of the colliding of two worlds, the rural-urban divide. In addition, officials say they believe the federal judge needs more information about what's happening at the ground level, and that bringing legal action might help the judge find a solution that is beneficial to all parties involved. Residents in Sweet Home who have been dealing with the consequences for months now say they want more information, and it's bigger than just the water quality.
They just ruined this area, and it's horrible that one person, a judge, can say this is what we're gonna do. It's horrible, and it needs to stop.
Linn County Commissioners also say families are worried about the water their children are drinking and what the drawdowns are doing to the economy, saying time is of the essence and immediate action is needed. And now the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers say their next steps will be to monitor the biological effectiveness of this operation for the endangered fish and the other impacts. And they will provide information about the results and the impacts to the court, but not until their biannual status report at the end of February. And I reached out to each of the three environmental groups who are on the other side of the lawsuit, and I'm waiting to hear back. Live in the studio, Jennifer Singh, KEZI 9 News.